Hey everybody, have you ever heard of a car getting hit by a train on GTA 4? Well, look no further. This is of something that happens. Alright, here comes the subway train. You can see it, I'm just getting off the tracks. Bam! Kablam! Now, second version. Have you ever seen a man inside the car while the train hits him? Why? I believe not. Well, here you are gonna see it. This guy is gonna drive. He's gonna drive straight at the train. Oh my! The train can chase him. Oh no. Gonna get quickly ahead of the train. Turn around. Drive back. Oh! And it kills him, ladies and gentlemen. It killed him, and he's done for. Class.